Hello everyone, welcome to another day in the life of a window cleaner vlog. It's obviously me and Matthew. Where are we today? We're going to our Coningsby round. I know it's crazy, but I drive 100 miles round trip for today. We've got 15 cleans, we've got one in Boston, 2 in Stickney, and then the rest are split between Coningsby and Tattershall. It's around 279, well it is £279 for the day's work. It's the least amount of money I make in a day on my window cleaning rounds, but it's also fairly long because of the driving, but I'll get home before 5 this time hopefully. And it's a day me and Matthew like anyway. It's a good run out for the van, and it's where I first started window cleaning whilst I was leaving the forces, trying to build up window cleaning. So that's why I still keep them, and that's 8 years on. Anyway, follow us for today, see how we get on. 5 p.m. and that's me now back at home. So nice, easily, leisurely paced day compared to what we normally do. This day, out of all my rounds, is the least productive in terms of money and the amount of cleans I'm doing, but it's the one with the most driving. So yeah, I've done 100 miles, but it's nice to have a little bit of a break, really. Nice to go somewhere different. We've got to see Hurricane flying around today as well, so Matthew's happy with that. We've done a first clean. Last month Matthew quoted a clean where we've got 4 next to each other, and we've got one very close to that, so that was the first clean today. She was nice and happy with what we've done, so next clean will be nice and easy. So that's it, all done, sun's out. It's been a bit chilly though in the shade, but another day ticked off, another day to do tomorrow. But it's all good with the weather being like it's been. It's made a change from what we used to. Anyway, that's me done. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, all the good stuff, and there'll be a video up here for you to watch next. See you on the next one.